How to update apps on your Amazon Fire TV stick. When you update your official and sideloaded apps on your Amazon Fire TV stick, you get access to the latest features and bug fixes for those apps. It's easy to update both kinds of apps, and we'll show you how. An official app is the one that you've downloaded and installed from the Amazon Appstore on your Fire TV stick. To update these apps, you basically select an update on the app page and the app updates itself. To do that, on your Fire TV stick's remote, press and hold down the Home button. In the menu that opens, choose Apps. If the remote isn't working, there are ways to fix it. On the Your Apps and Games page, highlight but don't open the app you want to update. Then, on your remote, press the menu button, 3 horizontal lines. Your app's App Store page will launch. Here, select Update to begin updating the app. If you don't see this option, and you only see Open, your app version is already up to date. When the Fire TV stick finishes installing the update, you'll have the most recent version of the app, and you're all set. Since the sideloaded apps aren't installed from the official Amazon App Store, you'll have to manually download their latest versions and install them on your Fire TV stick. To do that, head to our guide on how to sideload apps after jailbreaking your Amazon Fire TV stick. In the guide, where you specify the link to download an app, enter the link to the latest version of the app. Then install that app on your stick. For the apps that you install from the Amazon App Store, you can enable automatic updates so those apps update on their own without your interaction. If you'd like to activate that option, then first, choose Settings, a gear icon, from your Fire TV stick's home screen. And that's it. From now on, your Fire TV stick will automatically check for and install the available updates for all your official apps. Enjoy. While you're at it, update your Amazon Fire TV stick as well so you have the latest features and bug patches. Text source: howtogeek.com